babes, welcome back to my channel. I am Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video as well as my other videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 2-in-1 look using just one bundle of my 3B 3C kinky curly hair by Better Length and the length of 18 inches. I hope you enjoy. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo this baby, condition it, get it nice and detangled for an easy install. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV, and be sure to turn on all your notifications for all my new videos.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be
For today's install, I decided to let my hair breathe completely. I'm usually putting it into some type of a ponytail or some braids, even twist sometime, but I just wanted it to just be. I'm going to be doing row for row, and for each section, I'm going to be spraying with my water bottle, and I'm also going to be applying some of my Lotta Body foam. These days, I've really been liking the Lotta Body, especially when it comes to curly hair. Just a little PSA, if you prefer not to have your hair left out throughout the whole style, you can definitely do a braid down, do some 2-strand twists, do some mini plaits, do whatever is best for you. If that is better for you to manage, go for it. But I just wanted to put that out there just in case you feel like you're not able to achieve this look if you don't do it the way I'm doing it.
The things
Okay, so I'm gonna wear it like this for a few hours, honestly. I'm about to actually head to the shop. So I'm gonna pull this back to, I guess, create like a little look, you know? So it's out of my way and I don't just, you know, walk in with 5 to 6 big old twists in my head. So I'm just putting it into a light pony, nothing major. And I'm gonna let it set like this and I will be back later on. So I am back and I am now about to undo my twists. They have been sitting for long enough. Y'all know how I feel about my edge effect, level 5 to be exact. I'm using that on my edges, and I'm also going to be using that to lay down some of my natural hair so that it blends with my actual extensions and it stays in place. Because of course, if you're natural, we all know that it can definitely disconnect from just about anything that we do, far as a sew-in or a quick weave or something. But for my curly styles, I literally always apply edge control on my hair, and what I'm doing right now is combing it through and scrunching it back up to kind of blend with the rest of the extensions. You want to make sure that it's combed all the way through, because when it completely dries, if it's not, it will have a little white residue. Don't freak out about that. I definitely say to apply some water, comb through it some more, or if you're good, you can just go ahead and apply just a light oil sheen. So here's a quick little look that you can do with a one straight pin. What I'm gonna do is grab some of my hair from the top. I'm gonna actually start from the back, and I'm just twisting it and pinning it. Of course, if that's a little too much or you're not really able to understand what I was saying, go ahead and simply get you some large rubber bands and create you a little ponytail and bring some of the hair to the front, and you now have an half up, half down.